Hey everyone, we're coming to you from UpKeep's headquarters. I'm Rachel. I'm UpKeep's Associate Product Manager.
And I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder. Good morning.
Morning. We're here to tell you about the features that we released this week. So we'll start with non-stock parts.
All right. So this week we released non-stock parts. What that allows you to do is categorize all of your parts in inventory as a non-stock part. And what that really does is allows you to categorize the parts that you want to purchase just once, keep it in your inventory, but not get all those notifications about it. It basically allows you to keep that full history of things that you purchased, but not really get notified of, hey, it doesn't necessarily force you to restock and keep inventory of it every single week. So
yes,
really, really awesome. Really excited by this new feature. It's something that you guys, our customers, have been telling us you guys are really looking for those one-time purchases that you don't necessarily want to get reminded of every single week.
Yeah, absolutely. And something else that we released this week due to customer feedback was restocking parts. So now when looking at the part details, you have an option to restock right there from the details page. This lets you update the quantity. You can put your restock event notes as well as attach an image of the receipt or any type of image you need regarding that restocking event. And that will be stored in the events of that part. So you can always take a look to see a history of when things were restocked, maybe why it occurred, and just any additional information that you need.
So we're doing a ton of work in parts. Really excited by that. Stay tuned for some more work that we're doing in the parts inventory section. But on top of that, we've also released our automated reporting on that custom dashboard. So we also heard from you guys is our dashboards are awesome, our reports are awesome, but you also want to get notified on a regular basis. So now with our custom reporting, you can also schedule notifications to get sent to your email inbox every single week so that you can stay on top of everything without having to go into UpKeep. These dashboards, reports are really important for you guys to showcase the work that you have done over the last week, over the last month, and see how you guys are progressing. To be able to get that in a notification, I think means a lot, and really excited for you guys to test it out and hear your feedback.
Yeah, and definitely make sure to check those out because the notifications look beautiful. And then last but definitely not least, we released a company profile page. So now UpKeep administrators will have a separate page for all their company information. And when they upload their company logo, it will be applied account-wide. So users won't have to manually update the company logo. It will be on all the PDFs, the invoice, purchase orders. So make sure to check that out as well.
All right.
All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great rest of your week.
Have a great rest of the week.